Hi guys, so today I'm going to make slime. So yeah, so I got this glue from Panda Slime PH earlier. So yeah, I was so excited. I was in a rush. So yeah, it's so big. It's like one liter or 1 5 and a half something. So the things that we need to make the slime is glue. We need a bowl and a spoon. So let me put this down so you can see it. We need a bowl and a spoon. Some glue right here. And then we also need our decorations. Yeah, we got our blue paint. We need our blue paint. We have our yellow paint and our green. So yeah. So we also need some of these glitter. I have some more glitter in here. So I got some of these activator. Got some activator right here. Activator. And then I also have more glitter. So I got some glitter. Also have some sequins right here. Sequins. And then we also have some of the scents. 2 cents. And then we also have this container. This is where we are going to store our slime after we're making it. And we also need a charm to decorate our slime. So anyway, let's start. I'm so excited. I've been working on this like 2 weeks. I was so excited. I actually beated my dad with a swimming contest, and then I won because the water was so cold. So yeah. So anyway, let's open the glue. Okay, this is pretty hard. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So I'm just going to put half of it. Okay. We're just going to make a lollipop slime. So put half of it in. Okay, that's enough. Now, after that, mix it all together. First, I'm just going to make some basic slime, so then I'll just make it good and something like that. Next, we need our scent. Mix that together. It's turning into this orange, but we are going to turn that to blue. So anyway, we're just going to make basic slime, and then yeah. Now we need some of our activator. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to mix this together. It looks so pretty. Okay, it's actually sticking together. Now let's put some more of this. Okay, let me open this. Okay, let's put this up so we can. Oh, now it's totally sticking together. Wow, look at it. So pretty sticky. Wait, keep on eating it. It will turn into slime. So if you feel it's kind of sticking together, but if you touch it, it's a little bit more sticky, you can add more activator, yeah, or contact cleanse solution. So yeah. So guys, I'd never seen this big glue before. So my dad bought it for me. Yeah. Oh my god. So pretty. Okay. Mix, 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 mix. Oh my god, look at that. That is so satisfying. Yep, 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay, now let's fold it. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so happy. The texture is so good. It's a little bit sticky, but if you keep on eating it, it becomes this super duper sticky slime. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, you guys. I love it so much. It's so white. Look at it, guys. It's so white. Can you see it, guys? Wait a second. It's so white, right? Wow. So awesome. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in the bowl because there are these little excess, and then they're not really we're not really not gonna need it anymore. So I'm just going to put it in our slime and keep on mixing it. Okay, now there. So now that our slime is ready. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's put this aside. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love it. Mom? Look, Mom. Mom. Mom, look.
Wow.
This
Nice.
sketchy.
Long and stretchy slime.
Yeah. It also has some nice spokes. I love it. So, okay. Now, we are now going to paint it. Okay, I'm just going to grab my bowl. Put the slime in our bowl. I just want to keep on playing with it, but we need to decorate it. So, oh my god, it just sticks to the screen. Okay, let's do that again. Yep. Okay, now we need yellow. Speaking of yellow, where's the blue? Oh, here. There we go. So, let's have a little. Okay, that's it. Okay, mix that in. Mix that in. I like this kind of paint because it isn't really, you know, the different kind of paint. The other kind of paint's kind of, making your slime sticky, but I love the way that this one doesn't. Get all of that yellow, because, yeah, we need the yellow, so, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so awesome. I love it. Oh my god. So I'm just going to keep on mixing that. Put that in the bowl. Okay, now. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, let's just put the bowl aside again. And then put the camera down. And as you can see, so nice. I think this one is my most favorite slime I ever created. So I love the slime, the glue of the Panda Slime P8. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's an ASMR. So anyway. Okay, that's done. Let's put this aside. Now, we are now going to make our other slime. Let's make blue slime now. Let's get it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, put this here. Okay, now let's just mix that all together. Put the scent. Now, okay, now it's so pretty, guys. So my mom or my brother is just showering or something. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, Dad. Okay, that was just my dad. Just going to go to the back and yeah. So anyway, I love it, guys, this one. But anyway, let's just get to our other slime that we're making right now. So now let's put our activator. Let's make basic slime again. Actually, guys, there's some other more stuff or glue or slime that Panda Slime PH does. And guys, it also has those like the, what do you call this? Like you have like a, what do you call this? If you buy the Elmer's glue, it's actually is going to be a little bit more expensive. But if the Panda Slime PH glue, it's just not really expensive as the others, because glue is a little expensive. So, yeah. So anyway, let's just keep on mixing with that. Okay, let's keep on mixing that slime together. Okay. So yeah. I think we need more glue in this one. I'm just going to put a little more glue because it doesn't seem perfect for me. Just a little bit, and mix. Mix that slime together. I'm just going to knead it for now. And guys, so I love it. Oh my god. I love the glue of the Slime PH. Panda Slime PH. And I love their logo and their glue because see the logo? The glue? It's like Panda Slime. So yeah. Uh-oh. I think my feet's charging. Okay. Anyway. If your slime is sticky, I just roll it. And yeah. Okay. Let's put this back. Okay. Mix. Oh my god, look at that. If you don't have some activator, you can use what do you call this? You can use the detergent or the Ariel. Okay, I think we need more of this. Pull up and then oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, let's put this aside. We get our slime. Okay, it's a little bit breaking, that's why I'm putting a little bit more glue. Okay, now I'm going to put the paint. Okay, I put the paint. Now, except, okay. I just love the first slime that we made. A little sticky, but still slime up there. Now, oh no, put that there. Put that there. Okay, now let's sketch off blue. Get a little blue here. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, I don't really have some, what do you call this? I don't really have food coloring, so I'm just going to use paint. Because, you know, paint is paint. Okay. So my hands are pretty dirty. So, yeah. I'm just gonna wash my hands. But still perfect slime after all. Okay, let's keep on mixing it. Okay. Mix the slime together. Yeah. Okay, I forgot I was videoing. Okay, anyway. Put this aside. Okay. It was like a drum roll. So be careful if it stains your, table, because after this, my mom's going to get super mad at me. Because okay, now that our blue slime is ready, it's time. Not really, it's time. Wait a second. I'm just going to, do some adjustments. So yeah. So I'll be back when I'm done. So I'm just going to clean my hands and I'll be back. Okay guys, I didn't really wash my hands, but I'm still, working on my slime because I feel like something's not right about this one. So I'm just going to clean it up a little. Okay. Okay, now it's better. Okay. Anyway, it's my mother shouting again. But I don't know why she's shouting. Maybe it's because of my brother or something. Okay. Okay, now that I'm done with my blue slime, I'll do my, green slime. So, let's pour this in. Okay. It's done. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, I just want to play. And now food coloring. Don't worry about the glitter, guys. I'm still going to put it later. So yeah, don't worry about it. And yeah, your wish is my command. Okay, keep mixing. It's like I'm the fairy godmother that makes slime. You know the other one, Ghostbusters, the slime? It's a slime. Okay, because of my hand, it's turning to blue, but don't worry, it will. I'm going to paint it blue. I'm going to paint it green. So don't worry, going to paint green. I remembered. I'm going to paint it green. And I'm not going to forget anymore. Now, after I'm done making my slime, I'm just going to put green paint. Okay. Green. Green, 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 green. Little green, little green, little green. Green, 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 little green, green. Mix my green. Green, green, green. Mixing my green. I don't know what song I am singing, but I'm sure it's like a song. Fun song. Oh my goodness, you guys, that's so awesome. In the camera, it looks like a little teal, but it's actually green. Okay. Okay, let's just roll that in there. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, now I'm done. So it's actually green. Okay. Okay guys, I feel like it's not yet perfect too. I think we need to put a little bit more paint because, you know. Okay, let's start to put down here. Maybe I should just mix it with a bowl because it's actually pretty better. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit more glue because, I don't want to be a troublemaker because I'm kind of a troublemaker in the house, so yeah. Okay. Because I'm so excited, I just want to decorate, and decorate. Yep, I just want to keep on decorating. Okay. Okay. feels perfect. More. I'm just gonna save a little bit more cause I need to do my art projects for my scarf dance and all like that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, now that's all done. Now that's, let's see, a little bit more. Because, I just want to mix it. Something like that. Mix, 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 mix. Okay guys, I'll be back when I'm done, mixing the slime and yeah. Okay, I'll be back. Hopefully. Okay guys, I'm back and my slime is now working perfectly. Now it's time for my favorite part. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there. The mixing time. So I'm gonna put that there. So first green, second blue, third the yellow. Okay, now just going to okay, sticky doodle. Okay. There you go. So pretty. So pretty, you guys. Now it's time for my favorite part, the decorating. Yay. Now, let's get these. Okay. Okay, let's open this later and let's just put a different kind of bead in there. I'm going to put this kind of beads. Gotta, scramble it all in there. Because it's not really all scrambled. And, put that down there, put that down there, put that down there. I'm a slimer. Who doesn't like slime, right guys? I mean, my mom doesn't like slime, but we do, right? I think everyone who's watching this is a slimer. So comment down below if you're a slimer and type slimer if you're a slimer. And yeah. Okay, next let's put this sequence. Sequence time. Okay. I think this opens like this. Be careful of the staplers, Andy. Don't worry. Be careful of the stapler. They might fall in your something. Okay, I'll put this right here. Okay. Let's just get some of these sequins and then we'll decorate it. Okay. Dip, dip. Okay, that's enough. Now let's put more of these foam beads. Okay. Get foam beads. It's pretty hard to get the foam beads if they're brand new. Okay. Oh no. Stepping again. Okay. I'm just going to balance it in there. Okay. Now, the last one. We still need this. Okay. Need these. Foam beads. And then let's just scramble that all around. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Let's just make that scramble. Okay. Okay. Next, the last one is the charm. Put that in there. Oh my goodness, it's so perfect. Oh my god. So, yeah. Okay guys, I'll be back when I get my dad's cell phone. So I'm just going to take a picture so, he will know what it looks like. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, my dad's just taking some pictures. Okay, now it's time to mix it. I don't know. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, you can see it.
Lagyan ko ng cover sa ilalim.
What?
Can I put a cover under, but with the cover will not stick to this?
Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, you guys. So awesome. Oh, it's like this mermaid slime. I love it. There's the charm. I'm just going to find the charm. Here's the charm. So I'm just going to put it on. Okay, here you go. You can put the cover now. Okay. Wait a second. I'm just going to show them. Okay, guys. So I hope. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna pause this video. So anyway, I hope you like the channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and just don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified for our videos. And I hope you like my channel. Bye. I don't really know how to kiss it because it has the paint has in my hand. So yeah. So anyway.